Alright, so both my dad and my cousin David have asked me to make a video of actually mowing with this thing. So, starting off, you take your whetstone and you want to kind of just hone the blade. You don't grind this down like a with a grinder to sharpen it. You actually hammer it out when it gets really dull, but in between, when you're mowing, you use a whetstone and you just kind of smooth off the edge here and then take the burr off the back, and that's it. And you do that once in a while. And when you're cutting though, you're also not hacking, you're actually a nice slice, so this is moving and the grass is really coming in. So this kind of goes in this kind of motion. So it's half cutting, half sweeping into a pile on the side. What'll happen is this thing will move up and down. That's called the hafting angle. The higher up it gets, the harder it is. It takes more grass with each cut, and you got to use a little key here. This thing. Just loosen it up and retighten it, because otherwise it's almost impossible when it's wide open to unless you're really good, and I'm not really good. But it gets done. It's also, when it's really wet, it actually is easier to mow. So what's nice about this is when you cannot get on the lawnmower, this works. And this is also like, you can't mow this with a lawnmower. It would get clogged up instantly. So we tighten this back up. Get back to it. So that's it, pretty much pretty quick work. And now this is all nice, long, larger grass. This is hay, arguably. So the next step is we can let this dry out here, rake it up, and actually stack it loose as hay. Or we can find someone that has a binder to come bind it, but this land is not well suited for mechanical harvesting of hay. It's a little too hilly, 5 to 15 degrees. So that's that. Scything, yay.